Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be installing this wig. So if you want to know how I got this look, keep watching. So first I'm just cleansing my hairline with a little bit of alcohol. And next I'm going in with this scalp protectant just to make sure I'm protecting my scalp. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Got2b Glued in the black bottle, and I'm just slicking back my edges to make this as neat as possible. And now I'm going in with my stocking cap. I like to use the tan stocking caps. They don't match my complexion completely, but I'm going to put makeup on over it so it'll match my skin and look like I have a bald head. So now I'm going in with my Got2b freeze spray in the yellow can, and all you want to do is just spray this all over your hairline. So now I am cutting two little holes near the ear area. I find that this helps my cap lay a little bit better and keep those annoying little sides down easier. I'm also adding a little bit more of that spray just to make sure it stays down, and you can let this air dry or you can blow dry it like me. So now what you want to do is just cut off that excess cap. You want to cut the cap and get it as close to your hairline as possible. And you always want to keep your area clean, so I'm going back in with a little more alcohol just to keep it clean. So now I'm taking my Pure Liquid Veil foundation. This is a spray foundation, and I'm just spraying this all over my cap to give the illusion of a bald head. Okay, so now my wig is on, and I find the easiest way for me to apply my wigs is by using this new method and cutting the lace into 3 different pieces. So this allows me to set the front down exactly how I like and center it, and also be able to have full control of the sides. The sides are very important. Previously, when installing frontals for me, I've always had issues with the sides because they are not secured down enough, and this method really helps that. I'm taking a little bit more of that foundation and just spraying it on the hairline of the wig. So now the adhesive that I'm using is the Ghost Bond. So all I'm doing is dotting that all across my hairline. I'm blending it out a little bit, and then I'm going to let it dry until it's completely clear. You can use a blow dryer or you can just fan it dry. So I'm going to go in with 2 more layers of that glue, 3 layers in total, and I'm going to wait until it's completely dry before I move on to the next step. And you'll know the glue is completely dry when it's clear. Okay, so now I am starting to lay the front portion of my wig. And you guys, this makes it so much easier. Like, I don't feel like I'm not giving enough attention to one part because I can split it up and make this easier. So what you want to do is use a comb and really rake that comb through the hairline where the glue is, because you want to press the wig, the lace, and the glue all together, giving it the most natural look. So now I'm taking a blow dryer just to secure the wig down a little bit more. You can let this air dry or you can use a blow dryer. I recommend using the blow dryer. All right, so now I'm going in with my hot comb. Now the hot comb is just going to polish your look. So we're making sure this looks very natural, very flat. So now I'm just going to tie down my hairline. This is just going to allow all of that to melt down and really give me that scalp realness. So I'm going to keep that scarf on for about 5-10 minutes. And now I'm just going to define my middle part and start to style my hair. That hot comb is truly your best friend. Like, you want to make sure your installs are flat. You don't want them looking bumpy. This is supposed to be natural. All right, so the best tool I like to use to cut my remaining lace is the eyebrow razor. I find that this lets me get into those very intricate places and it doesn't look like I cut straight across with some scissors. So now I'm just going back in and fixing anything that needs to be glued down a little bit more. You just take your little rat tail of your comb and go in and fix the details. So my favorite foam or mousse to use on my installs is this Nairobi foam. It's a little more expensive than most foams. This one I got from my local beauty supply store for $10. And I just really like the formula. So I like to press it or put this in the middle of my head to give it that flat polished look. And I also like to use the mousse to mold and set my baby hairs. I don't like to use the gel. I don't like to use the spray. I like to use the mousse because I find that this gives me the most natural look. So I'm not a perfectionist with my baby hairs yet, but once I get the hang of it, I'll definitely do a video. So this is what it looks like after I finish my baby hairs. And you guys, this hair hasn't even been flat ironed yet, so it's very, very pretty. So now I'm just gonna go and continue styling my hair. I'm just having a very straight, sleek look. All right, you guys, and this is the finished look. I slayed my hair, okay? I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any questions or comments, put them down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on those notifications. Bye, guys.